Hi, this is Mohammed, an Excel and Google Sheets expert. And in this video, I'll walk you through a financial summary model I built in Google Sheets for a client who runs a foundation. So basically, the client had all the transactions history for his clients that the transaction has been received by the foundation and the expenses made by the foundation. So the client actually needs a summary of at the start of new financial year that how much balance is remaining in each client's account. So basically, he invests the remaining amount of the donors into the stock market so it can grow. So basically, he does not have a history of transaction that happened in the stock market at which rate the unit is being purchased and how much unit is being purchased. So basically, he just give me these transactions of the donors, the expenses, and the closing capital of the stock market of his basically of his account. And then I created this. Basically, you can call that a summary engine in which all the client opening balances is being fetched up and the closing balance is uh, which minus the expenses made by the foundation from each donor's account, and then I uses a formula weighted capital by using the date of the transactions happened by the donors. So basically, you can see there the weighted capital for the transactions happened at the last date of the year. The weighted capital is negative, and also some has the positive but at low amount like 0.4, 0.47 like that. And then I created all of these for each client, and all the transaction has been made by the foundations. Then at last you can see that the rate of return summary model for the client in which it reflects each donor name, opening balances, the contributions made by the client in between the year, the withdrawals made by the basically the foundation, and the closing balances through the original opening balance, and then the weighted capital is being applied to all, and the total weighted capital, the total closing balance, you can say adjusted closing balance, is also being presented there, through which he can easily allocate that amount into the donor's account for the next year. So basically, these all the calculations is for the previous financial year from of 2025 2026. So you can see there all calculations has is being accurate as you can see there, and the client gets really happy with the output. So now he can easily allocate that amount into the donor's account very easily. So if you need similar kind of financial models in Google Sheets or Excel, or you need any other kind of task for you to be done inside Google Sheet or Excel, you can definitely contact me. Thanks for watching.